Did you know people spend over $500 billion a year just trying to look rich and stylish? But here's the truth. You do and need a fat wallet to turn heads on the street. Some of the most affordable cars on the market can make you look like a millionaire without spending like one. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 incredibly cheap cars that look like they belong in a billionaire's garage. Because style, confidence, and a little smart shopping can give you that luxury vibe without the luxury price tag. There's this massive misconception out there. If it doesn't cost a lot, it can't look good. That belief stops so many people from owning something sleek, stylish, and head-turning. Car buyers often think you must spend $50,000 plus to get a vehicle that commands respect on the road. But here's the deal: some budget-friendly cars were designed with bold styling, premium features, and elegant curves that scream luxury. We're here to bust that myth and prove you can ride clean, classy, and confidently without taking a financial hit. So what makes a cheap car look expensive? It's all about the design language, chrome accents, interior finish, and even wheel size. Some models, especially from brands like Kia, Mazda, and Volkswagen, borrow heavily from luxury aesthetics. Want to level up the illusion? Keep your car clean and polished. Add minor upgrades like tinted windows, custom rims, or LED lights. Choose classic colors like black, pearl white, or deep gray for that timeless, elite appearance. Just like fashion, where you can look rich in a thrifted outfit, if you know how to style it, cars are the same. Alright, let's jump into the list you've been waiting for. Top 10 cheap cars that look expensive. 10. 2016 Chrysler 300. Starts at $10,000, bold grille, luxury silhouette, and that Bentley vibe. 9. 2017 Mazda 6 Grand Touring, $11,000, sleek, sporty, and packed with leather interior plus LED lights. 8. 2018 Volkswagen Passat R-Line, $12,000 understated, clean Euro look with a premium cabin. 7. 2017 Buick LaCrosse, $10,500. Curved design, plush interior, and a quiet ride. 6. 2019 Hyundai Sonata Limited, $13,000, LED daytime running lights and chrome accents. 5. 2015 Acura TLX, $9,000, luxury badge, sculpted lines, and loaded features. 4. 2018 Kia Optima SX Turbo, $11,500, aggressive styling and premium feel inside and out. 3. 2015 Infiniti Q50, $13,000, true entry-level luxury with a commanding presence. 2. 2017 Ford Fusion Titanium, $10,000, grille gives off Aston Martin vibes, no kidding. 1. 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, $13,000, a real Benz under $15,000. Stylish, sharp, and still a status symbol. Looking expensive isn't about price, it's about perception, presentation, and the smart picks you make. These cars prove that style and affordability can absolutely ride side by side. Drop a comment below. Which car from the list surprised you the most? Got your own pick that looks luxury but costs less? Share it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more money-smart car tips and style hacks.